That's our view. Good morning. Good morning and welcome to the new place. So, we already moved here last January nung New Year. Naglipat kami. So, ito na yung view. Nasa ground floor kami. Ayan. Okay. So, parking. Okay. Ito na yung bagong view.